Here I have Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset operation on this device. So soft reset is just when you forcefully restart your device if it's laggy or just don't respond to your actions. You try to do something but it's just frozen. What you have to do is to just hold down power key plus volume down for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted and won't be frozen anymore. Just like this. Okay, so then you have to turn it back on by holding power key, and then it will work okay for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.